Want to record video call on Facebook Messenger? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can record video call on Facebook Messenger. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the Messenger application on your device. Make sure that you have updated your application to the latest version. Now, open up any chat you want, then tap on this video icon at the top. Now, during your video call, if you want to record this, then you can use the built-in video recorder on your device. So if you have this feature, you simply want to swipe down. Now, if you have the feature of recording video, then simply tap on that. After that, you will get a prompt saying start recording with screen recorder. You want to select media and mic, then tap on start recording. Now the video call will start to record. If your device does not have a built-in recorder, then you can simply download one from Play Store. For that, tap on Play Store. Now search screen recorder. Now you can select whichever app you want, then tap on the install option. Once it has been installed, you can use the screen recording app to record your video call, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.